Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to hide taskbar in Windows 10. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. On the bottom, you can see my taskbar is visible over here. Now I'll show you how to hide this taskbar. Now first of all, to hide this taskbar, move your cursor to the taskbar, then right click. And over here you can see here is taskbar setting. Click on this and over here you can see here is taskbar setting. Now on the second option you can see automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. That means if I turn this on, the taskbar will be hidden unless I hover my cursor over here. You can see if I take my cursor to this taskbar is visible, but if I remove from here, you can see it is gone. That means I can bring this back when I want and remove when I don't want. So in this way, we can hide and unhide taskbar in Windows 10. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.